Saturday morning here in Tarpon Springs, Florida. We're coming out here to do a motor replacement this early Saturday morning. Do yourself a favor. Get you something that identifies yourself. Stop showing up in flip-flops and socks, holy shirts, cut off sleeves, looking like you just rolled off the streets to show up to somebody's house to service their pool. Thing I do is I come up, I drain the pot, so when I open up this motor, everything doesn't just come pouring out on me. So your first step is take off your band. Then we're going to remove the impeller. What we have going on here is some bad bearings. Means you have some bad bearings. Make sure you turn off all your power. Click every breaker, all the breakers. So you're going to take off the grounding wire. You're going to take off the clamp. You're going to have to replace the plate O-ring. You're going to need a mechanical seal. You're going to need yourself a what is this? A 1/2 inch socket? No, 14 or 1/2 inch socket. You're going to need a nut driver. And you're going to, this is the diffuser. That's the impeller. You're going to remove all that. Pop the old mechanical seal out. Put the new one in. You want it to go porcelain to porcelain. You want to do your best not to touch that white porcelain. Then you want to take your new mechanical seal, porcelain to porcelain, so it spins properly. And then you're going to apply your impeller, and then you're going to put your diffuser back on. This is your diffuser. It can only go one way because of, you see, it can only go one way. That has to lock into that.